How's it going, guys, and welcome back to a Big Taze video. This is not the video I expected to do next on this channel, but I basically got into doing Rubik's Cubes. Now, the story behind this is basically that my partner's son has a little Rubik's Cube, a little tiny little one, and he was playing with it at bedtime, so I took it off him. And basically, I started fiddling around with it and just decided I was going to look up some tutorials and see if I could figure out how to do it, and got absolutely hooked. So this video is basically going to be pretty boring if you're not into Rubik's Cubes. Obviously, for obvious reasons, I can't speed it up, I can't cut into it. It's got to be completely uncut footage. I've tried to make it a little bit dramatic in that, but this is my challenge to see if I could do it in 10 minutes. Now, I posted on Instagram and on YouTube a poll saying, do you think I can do a Rubik's Cube in 10 minutes? Now, to be honest, I'm happy to do it in any time. As long as I can do it, I'm happy with that. So I'm not going to tell you whether I managed to do it in 10 minutes, because 10 minutes doesn't sound like a very fast time. I know there's people out there who can do it in like a minute or even less than that sometimes, but 10 minutes, when I literally been learning for about 2 days, was something that I thought, I reckon I could aim for that. That's my goal, to aim for that. So this was my filmed attempt, basically. Like, I wasn't going to continue filming, and this was done really late at night. I just decided to stick the camera on and see if I could do it. So this is my filmed attempt. Like I said, I'm not going to tell you what happened or whether I did it or how close I was to doing it, but you're going to have to wait and see. So I'll see you guys at the end. So there you have it. I managed to do it in less than 10 minutes. I was so happy, as you could tell by my face at the end. Crazy thing about this for me is that it was actually a bucket list item. Now, I don't have like a physical list that's a bucket list, but I do have a list of things that I'd like to do in my life. Several of them I have actually done, things like writing a book, things like starring on, well, not starring, but being on a TV show, doing a Rubik's Cube, that kind of stuff, going on roller coasters. They've always been on my sort of bucket list of things. Some other ones I want to do, things like be in a film, go and stay abroad, because believe it or not, I have never ever slept out of the UK, ever. I've always wanted to, and we've planned so many trips and they've fallen through and stuff like that. And the Rubik's Cube was one of those things on that list. So I'm so happy to be able to like give it a big tick and it's done. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Like I said, I had to have it uncut because otherwise people will go, oh, you faked it, you cheated, etc. I wanted to show that I didn't, and it was actually done properly in under 10 minutes. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys again in the next one. See ya.